In this video, we are going to learn how you can save new Gmail attachments to Cloudinary. So the idea here is that whenever you're going to receive a new mail on your Gmail account and the mail contains some attachments or business related documents, then the same attachment should be uploaded to your cloud storage software application, that is Cloudinary. For that, you need to integrate your Gmail account with Cloudinary. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. To integrate Gmail with Cloudinary, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Now here we can find two options, sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you are going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. From the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Gmail to Cloudinary integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever we receive some mails on our email address and the mail contains some attachments, all the mail attachments or the document should be saved to our Cloudinary application. For that, first we need to integrate our Gmail account with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as email parser. Now here we can see an email address. It is the mail hook that we have got over here. So using this particular mail hook, we are going to integrate our Gmail account with Pabbly Connect. So simply copy this mail hook or email address from here. And on this particular email address, we are going to forward all our mails. So let's move to our email address. This is my Gmail account. And here we can find settings option. Click on settings. And here we have to just click on see all settings. Here we can find forwarding and POP IMAP option. Click on it. And here we have to just click on add a forwarding address. Now here we have to paste the email address that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Let's click on next. And now here we can see a confirmation forwarding mail to this particular mail hook. Let's click on proceed. A confirmation code has been sent to this particular mail hook to verify the permissions. Okay, so let's click on OK. And here we have to paste a confirmation code. And to get the confirmation code, we have to move back to Pabbly Connect. And when we scroll down, we can see that the response is received over here. Okay. And here in the response, we have got the body text. I'm just going to maximize the size of it. Okay. And here in this particular body text, we can find a confirmation code. So we have to simply copy this confirmation code and we have to just paste it over here. Click on verify. You have verified the forwarding address. Okay. And now we have to just enable it. Forward a copy of incoming mails to this particular mail hook. We have to just enable it and we have to click on save changes. And now here we can find a notice you're forwarding your email to this particular mail hook. Okay. So now whenever the mails will be received on this particular Gmail address, then automatically all the mails will be captured over here. Okay. Now to capture the mails, we have to just click on recapture email parser response button. But we want all the attachments to be captured over here all together. So we are going to make this simple response to advanced response first. And now we are going to click on recapture email parser response. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on yes. And now here we can see that it is waiting for the email parser response. So now whenever the mail will be received on your Gmail address, automatically all the mail details along with the attachment details will be captured over here. And not only the business Gmail accounts, you can even integrate your personal Gmail accounts over here to capture the mail details. Okay. Now I have already logged in from other email address. Okay. And here I have already drafted a mail. Dear demo name, I would like to introduce our company Leisure Resort, which has been in travel and hospitality business for the last 10 years. So in this particular manner, I have drafted a mail and the mail will be sent to my Gmail address. Here we can find the subject line as Leisure Resort Business Profile. And here I have added 2 attachments, that is Leisure Resort Business Profile.pdf file and this is the JPG file. This is the resort image. Okay, and now let's send this mail. Sending, message sent. Okay, so the mail has been sent. Now let's move back to our email address. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can see that a new mail has been received from Leisure Resort. This is the subject line, Leisure Resort Business Profile. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here when we scroll down, we can see that the responses received and all the details of the mail are captured over here. We can find subject line as leisure resort business profile. Here we can find some other details related to the mail. And when we scroll down, we can find the body text over here. That is the message. Dear demo name, I would like to introduce our company Leisure Resort. Okay, and here we have got the attachment links also. First file, that is Leisure Resorts Business Profile.pdf. So the first file was PDF file and the second file was the image file, that is resorts.jpg. So both the file details or the attachment details are captured over here. Now here there can be two conditions. First, the mails which we are receiving may contain some attachments or the mail may not contain some attachments. For that, we are going to apply a filter over here. So let's scroll down, come to this action window and here choose the application name as filter. So basically we are going to apply a if condition. If this particular condition satisfies, then only the workflow should run further. Okay, for that we have to select the label over here. So come to the response of email parser and from the drop down we are going to map the attachment links. So if the attachment links exist, then only the workflow should run further. Okay, so here we have selected the filter type as exist and now let us check the condition by clicking on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received status as success message condition is true. So why the condition is true? Just because in the trigger response we have got the attachment links. Okay, so now here we have got the attachment links all together. So we are going to segregate these attachment links. And for segregating we are going to use iterator over here. So let's scroll down, click on this plus sign to add an action step. And here we are going to select the action application as iterator. So iterator basically segregates the data, okay, from the array format to the row format. Here we have to choose the array. So here we have to map the array that we have got from our trigger response, that is attachment links. So for mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here and from the drop down we have to just select the attachment links. So why we have mapped the attachment links over here? We can even copy and paste it also. So we have mapped it just because next time whenever a new mail will be received along with the attachments, automatically the new attachments or the new documents will be saved to your Cloudinary application. If you are going to copy and paste it, then only this particular file, that is the Leisure Resort Business Profile.pdf, only this file will be saved in your Cloudinary application. So we want all the new files to be saved. That is the reason we have to map the attachment links over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and in the response we have got the first file URL. Okay, that is Leisure Resort Business Profile.pdf. Now no need to worry as the single file response is captured over here, just because in the real time it is going to work correctly. It is going to capture the data of multiple files or the multiple attachments. Okay. So now we want this file or the attachment to be uploaded to our Cloudinary application. So let's scroll down, click on this plus sign to add an action step. And here we are going to choose the application name as Cloudinary. Select the action event as upload resource. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now here it is asking for the cloud name, API key and the API secret key. For that, I'll just take you to my Cloudinary account. So this is my dashboard and on the dashboard itself, we can find the account details over here. And in the account details, I can find my cloud name. So I'll just going to copy it and I'll be pasting it over here. In the same way, let us copy the API key also. And let's paste it over here. And we are going to copy the API secret key also. And we'll be pasting it over here. And now let's click on save to create a connection. And now the Cloudinary account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the file URL that needs to be uploaded. So we have already got the file URL from our iterator response over here. So now we are going to map this particular data. Okay, for mapping, again simply scroll down, click it over here and come to the iterator response and from the drop down just select the file URL. Now here we have to select the resource type. Which type of file is this? It is an image file, a video file, a raw file. So here the instruction is also mentioned, select a resource type to upload. You can select auto to automatically detect the file type. So here I'll be selecting auto. Now here it is asking for the unsigned upload preset and in the instructions it is mentioned the name of an unsigned upload preset that you define for unsigned uploading to your Cloudinary account. Move to settings, upload, then upload presets. And to know more about the upload preset, you can just refer to this hyperlink. So I'm just taking you to my Cloudinary account once again. And from here we have to just move to the settings option. Click on settings, click on upload. And when we scroll down, we can find the upload presets over here. And from here, we have to just select the unsigned upload preset. So let's copy it and we'll be pasting the same over here. Okay. Now here it is asking for the file name. Enter a URL safe SEO friendly string that is used to reference the uploaded resource, example the file name. So we don't have the file name, so we have to extract the file name from this particular URL. For that, we have to just scroll up and click on this plus sign to add an action step. And here we are going to choose the application as text formatter. Select the action event as text parser. Click on connect. And now the text formatter is connected. Now here we need to map the text that needs to be formatted. So here we are going to map the file URL. From this particular file URL, we are going to extract this file name. Okay. So let's click it over here, come to the iterator response and select the file URL. Now here it is asking for the text match after. So the text match which is after this particular underscore, I want this data. So I'm just giving the text match after underscore, and the text match which is before this dot sign should be captured. So I'll be giving the text match before the dot sign. Okay. So the data which is after this underscore and before this dot will be captured. So let us check it by clicking on save and send test request. And here we can see that the response is received, and in the response we have got the result, that is the file name, Leisure Resort Business Profile. So now we are going to map this particular file name. For that, let's scroll down. And again, as we have added an action step, we have to just click on connected. Just select the existing connection and we have to click on save. And now let's scroll down, and here we'll be mapping the file name from the text formatter response. Okay. And if you want to specify some tags, you can just give the tag names over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay. And here we can see the response is received. It means the file or the attachment is uploaded to your Cloudinary application. Let's check it. We have to just move to media library from here. Let's move to samples. Okay. And here we have got Leisure Resort Business Profile saved over here. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever the mail will be received and if the mail contains some attachments, then only the same attachments will be saved to your Cloudinary application. So now we are going to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I have already drafted a mail from my another account over here. Here you can find the subject line as business agreement. Here you can find the mail. Dear dummy name, I am writing from the offices of Avon Private Limited to inform you of your acceptance of the proposal for the software development project. This is a dummy mail that I have written. And here you can find the attachment, that is agreement.jpg. So now let us send this mail. Sending, message sent. So the mail has been sent. First let us check our Gmail account. We have to just refresh it. And here we can find the same mail, business agreement, dear dummy name. And here we have got the attachment also. So now we are going to check whether the same attachment is uploaded on our Cloudinary application or not. So let's move to Cloudinary account. Here we have to just refresh our account. Okay, and here we can see a new document is getting uploaded over here. That is agreement. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So I'll just minimize this filter step, action steps, as well as the trigger window. So first we have created an integration between our Gmail account and Pabbly Connect using email parser by Pabbly, so that whenever a new mail is received along with the attachments, all the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. Then we have applied a condition over here that this particular workflow should run further only if the mail contains some attachments. Then we have segregated the attachments using the iterator action step. Then we have used text formatter over here just to extract the file name from the URL of the attachment. And then using all those details, we have uploaded the same document or the same attachment to our Cloudinary application. And in this way, we have learned that how we can integrate Gmail with Cloudinary using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case you have any queries, you can just post your queries at Pabbly Forum. Our team will surely get back to you. This is our Pabbly Connect website, and to know the latest updates and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is pabbly.connect. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is attached in the description box. You can clone this workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.